How to remove background using CapCut. Are you guys facing issues to remove your background? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open CapCut on your mobile device. Once you open the CapCut, now look at the top of your screen where you can see multiple options over here. Photo editor, remove background, camera. You're looking to remove background, right? Tap on remove background. After you click on it, now just select the project or photo that you want to remove the background of. Once you select it, click on next. As soon as you click on next, CapCut will start to remove background. Now click on check mark. So as you guys can see, our background has been removed. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye. And if you guys have any regarding CapCut, make sure to comment down below. See you in the next one.